All right, here we go. You're on TV now. And what you asked me? Ryan told me, I'll rewind the tape to the beginning later. So, what you want to say now? Mm-hmm. Small booty. You want me to start calling you that? Huh? For what? Call you small booty. So somebody called not Dominique, Tanya that, and she cursed at person out.
Wow, that's nice. That's so mean.
Well,
you have to curse some people out.
Well, it was a dude. She had cursed out. Well, she had said it from a far distance. I don't think that dude heard her. Well, actually, I heard something, and she said, she said, "Fuck you." I said, "Tanya." Yeah, the dude saying small booty.
Put that in the camera.
No, you put that in the camera for me. Yeah. Well.
Put it in the camera.
All right. I'm glad you're calling me dominant. Well, let me try these noodles one more time with hot sauce. You heard me? Again, because this will be my first time in a long time trying hot sauce with noodles. All right, see this, y'all? Hot sauce on the chicken. Chicken noodle soup. Look. I don't normally eat hot sauce, y'all. Wait a minute, I ain't put the hot sauce. I ain't put that much hot sauce in it.
Yeah. Yeah, we're
It's birds! Oh, well, what the hell? I ain't put that much hot sauce in it. See? What?
Yeah, we're something they can't.
Of course I did. Hamburger helper, tacos. But I ain't feel myself making pork chops and apple sauce. Pork chops and apple sauce. Oh well, what the heck? Nothing you want to say, boo boo? Never mind that laptop. My niece messed it up. In case y'all wondering, y'all, well, what that is right there. Oh well.